Kampai! Join me again for another Japanese food cravings. We're here at Kabuki Food Tech here at Makati Cinema Square, Makati City. Meron silang 7 stalls inside, guys. This is an open area, ang relaxing ng ambience, ang ganda both exterior and interior ng place na to. Open nga pala sila from 4 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. So sa mga night shift dyan, perfect tong place na to para sa inyo. Talaga namang authentic Japanese cravings ang meron sila. So here's what we ordered. Get a permanent 10% discount on your next visit. Just leave a Google review and receive a Kabuki sticker. Diba ang amazing yan? Na-enjoy din talaga namin ang food dito. And the best part, kids get to enjoy a cone-served soft cream. So surely, babalik kami. So aside from ang sarap ng food nila, look at that view at night. Diba ang ganda? Cheers! So visit Kabuki Food Deck now. So ang tanong, sulit nga ba? Sulit na sulit dahil it's affordable and Japanese cravings mo really satisfied.